Whether you're building muscle, trying to lose weight, or simply aiming to feel more satisfied after meals, protein is your best friend. This essential macronutrient plays a key role in nearly every function of your body, from supporting your immune system and building lean muscle mass, to keeping your skin, hair, and nails healthy. But let's face it, sometimes eating high protein can feel repetitive or bland. So in this video, we're diving into 20 delicious, satisfying foods that are naturally high in protein, and far from boring. Whether you're an omnivore, vegetarian, or somewhere in between, there's something here for you. Let's explore these nutritious options together. 1. Eggs. Let's start with a classic. Eggs are one of the most complete sources of protein available, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids your body can't make on its own. One large egg has about 6 to 7 grams of protein, and they're incredibly versatile. Scrambled, poached, boiled, or baked, eggs are quick, affordable, and endlessly adaptable. They also contain important nutrients like choline, which supports brain function, and vitamin D, which aids in bone health. 2. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a powerhouse, packing up to 20 grams of protein per serving, depending on the brand. It's thick, creamy, and perfect for breakfast, snacks, or smoothies. Opt for plain varieties to avoid added sugars, and sweeten it naturally with fruit, honey, or a sprinkle of cinnamon. Greek yogurt is also a great source of probiotics, which support gut health. You can even use it as a healthy substitute for sour cream or mayonnaise in recipes. 3. Chicken breast. One of the leanest animal protein sources, chicken breast is a favorite for athletes and fitness lovers alike. A 3-ounce serving provides about 26 grams of protein with minimal fat. Grill it, roast it, shred it into salads. This high-protein meat is both flavorful and satisfying. Chicken is also rich in B vitamins and selenium, which supports thyroid function. It's a budget-friendly option that works well in meal prep for the entire week. 4. Cottage cheese. Don't overlook cottage cheese. It's making a comeback for good reason. It's low in calories and carbs, but packs a serious protein punch. 1 cup of low-fat cottage cheese has around 25 grams of protein. It pairs well with fruit, veggies, or even blended into dips or pancakes. Cottage cheese also contains casein protein, which digests slowly and helps keep you full longer. This makes it a great nighttime snack for those looking to maintain muscle while sleeping. 5. Lentils. For plant-based eaters, lentils are a protein goldmine. 1 cup of cooked lentils contains about 18 grams of protein, along with plenty of fiber, iron, and folate. Use them in soups, stews, or as a base for a hearty salad. Lentils are also inexpensive, shelf-stable, and easy to cook, making them ideal for budget-conscious households. They support heart health and digestion thanks to their high fiber content. 6. Tuna. Canned or fresh, tuna is a high-protein, low-fat food that's great for on-the-go meals. A 3-ounce serving of canned tuna has around 20 grams of protein. Mix it with avocado for a healthy twist on tuna salad, or pile it onto whole grain crackers for a quick snack. Tuna is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which support brain health and reduce inflammation. Just be mindful of mercury content and aim to vary your seafood choices. 7. Tempeh. Made from fermented soybeans, tempeh is a dense, nutty protein source beloved in vegan and vegetarian diets. A single cup provides over 30 grams of protein, more than most meats. It's great grilled, pan-fried, or crumbled into stir-fries. Tempeh also contains probiotics from the fermentation process, which can aid in digestion. Its firm texture makes it a satisfying meat substitute in sandwiches and wraps. 8. Almonds. While they're better known for healthy fats, almonds are also a solid protein source. 1 ounce, or about 23 almonds, delivers 6 grams of protein. Snack on them raw, toss them into salads, or blend them into smoothies for a nutrient-dense protein boost. Almonds also contain vitamin E, magnesium, and antioxidants that promote skin and heart health. Just watch portion sizes, as calories can add up quickly. 9. Quinoa. Unlike most grains, quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. 1 cup of cooked quinoa offers around 8 grams of protein, along with fiber, magnesium, and iron. It's fluffy, nutty, and makes a great base for bowls or salads. Quinoa is also naturally gluten-free, making it a fantastic grain alternative for those with sensitivities. You can use it in both savory and sweet dishes. 10. Beef. Lean cuts of beef, such as sirloin or tenderloin, are rich in high-quality protein. A 3-ounce serving contains about 22 grams. Grass-fed beef is often higher in omega-3 fatty acids and has a richer flavor. Beef also provides important nutrients like iron, zinc, and vitamin B12, which are crucial for energy and red blood cell production. Enjoy it grilled, pan-seared, or in hearty dishes like stews and chilies. 11. Chickpeas, garbanzo beans. Another vegetarian favorite, chickpeas provide about 15 grams of protein per cooked cup. Blend them into hummus, roast them for snacks, or toss them into curries and salads for a plant-powered protein hit. Chickpeas are also high in fiber, which supports digestion and helps regulate blood sugar. They can even be used in baking to create healthy treats like protein-rich cookies and brownies. 12. Salmon. Besides being a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, salmon also delivers about 22 grams of protein per 3-ounce serving. It's rich, flavorful, and easy to cook. Bake it with lemon and herbs, or sear it for a crispy skin and tender center. Salmon also contains astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant that supports eye and skin health. It's one of the most nutritious fish you can add to your diet. 13. Tofu. Tofu is another soy-based protein that adapts to whatever flavors you cook with. A 3.5-ounce serving contains around 10 grams of protein. It can be scrambled like eggs, grilled, stir-fried, or added to soups. Tofu is also rich in calcium and iron, making it an important food for plant-based eaters. It absorbs marinades well, so the flavor possibilities are endless. 14. Pumpkin seeds. Tiny but mighty, pumpkin seeds, also called pepitas, offer about 7 grams of protein per ounce. They're perfect for topping salads, mixing into granola, or just eating by the handful. They also pack iron, zinc, and magnesium, which support immune and muscle function. Toast them lightly with your favorite spices for a crunchy, nutritious snack. 15. Turkey breast. Another lean meat option, turkey breast is slightly lower in calories than chicken and just as protein-rich, around 25 grams per 3-ounce serving. It's great for sandwiches, wraps, or diced into pasta dishes and salads. Turkey is also high in tryptophan, which supports mood and sleep. Leftovers can easily be repurposed into soups or casseroles. 16. Black beans. Black beans are not only delicious, they're full of protein, about 15 grams per cooked cup. They're fiber-rich and incredibly versatile. Use them in tacos, burritos, rice bowls, or even brownies. Black beans are also packed with antioxidants and help maintain steady blood sugar levels. They're affordable and easy to store in bulk. 17. Edamame. These young soybeans are a fantastic snack or side dish. 1 cup of shelled edamame provides a whopping 17 grams of protein. Steam them and sprinkle with sea salt for a simple, tasty way to boost your protein. Edamame is also rich in folate, vitamin K, and manganese. It's great as a snack or tossed into stir-fries and salads. 18. Protein-rich pasta alternatives. These days, there are pastas made from chickpeas, lentils, and black beans, many offering up to 20 grams of protein per serving. They're a smart way to satisfy your carb cravings while keeping your protein intake high. These pastas often cook just like traditional pasta and have a slightly nutty flavor. They're perfect for protein-packed versions of your favorite pasta dishes. 19. Milk. Regular cow's milk provides about 8 grams of protein per cup, along with calcium and vitamin D. If you're lactose intolerant, look for protein-fortified plant milks like soy or pea-based alternatives, which often offer similar protein content. Milk also contains important bioavailable nutrients that support bone and muscle health. It can be enjoyed plain, in cereal, or blended into smoothies. 20. Protein smoothies. Let's not forget about smoothies. With the right ingredients, like Greek yogurt, protein powder, nut butter, seeds, or silken tofu, you can whip up a drink with 20 to 40 grams of protein or more. They're fast, filling, and easy to customize. Smoothies are also a great way to sneak in fruits and veggies. They make an ideal post-workout recovery drink or on-the-go breakfast. Final thoughts. Protein doesn't have to be boring. With this list of 20 delicious, protein-rich foods, you've got a wide variety of flavors, textures, and options to fit every meal, snack, or lifestyle. Whether you're going for gains, better energy, or long-lasting satiety, the right protein sources make all the difference. A high-protein diet is also linked to healthier weight management and improved metabolic function. Don't be afraid to experiment. Mix plant-based and animal proteins, discover new recipes, and listen to your body's needs. A balanced, high-protein diet doesn't just support your fitness goals. It can elevate your overall health, mood, and energy levels. If you found this guide helpful, or discovered a new favorite food to try, be sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more health-focused content, nutrition tips, and smart eating guides. Thanks for watching, and here's to stronger, healthier eating every day.